Now then, also good feature in this Vauxhall, how to stream audio. All you do, you go to your music. Let's see, that's the tune that was playing before. Look at the bottom there, it says car HF unit. If you can't see that, just click on the red triangle and the 3 red circles. You've got iPhone, headphones and car HF unit. If for any reason it's not ticked, just touch it, go back, you see there it's playing Fleetwood Mac The Chain. Over here that's on radio, so we go to media, click media, and you see there Barry's iPhone 10, The Chain. Turn that up a little bit, and then that's it. That's how you do it.